Smartphone Insider here. Today I've got for you a convenience smartphone. This is the Nokia 6.1, April 2018, Android 8.1 Oreo, Android One.
Okay, so as you saw, we set the phone up, but it needs to install 10 applications. So we're going to complete the setup and then we're going to come back and finish the review. Nokia 6.1 comes with Android Oreo out of the box, has a precision machined aluminum unibody, supports a Qualcomm Snapdragon 630 mobile platform, has a 5.5-inch 1080p Full HD display, a 16 megapixel rear camera with Zeiss Optics 8 megapixel wide-angle front camera, has dual sight mode for simultaneous front and rear camera capture with one-touch live streaming, and as always with Nokia and Android 8.0 Oreo, Nokia 6.1 is pure, up-to-date, and secure. Okay, so here we have it, folks. This is the Nokia 6.1. Let's get right into it. First, we have calculator, calendar, camera, allow, next, got it, Chrome, clock with alarm, timer, stopwatch, contacts, we have all of our contacts in here automatically, drive, skip, and some of our files, duo, agree, give access, allow, files, FM radio, Gmail, skip, Smartphone Insider, that's us, Google, Google handwriting input, okay, Google Pay, keep notes, get started, notes you add appear here, maps, messages, phone, favorites, recents, contacts, dial pad, photos, done, assistant, albums, sharing, play books, get started, home, library, shop, play games, my games, hub, arcade, play movies, library, watch list, play music, Allow. Continue. Allow. Play news. Library. Explore. Read later. Play store. Home. Games. Movies and TV. Books. Music. Newsstand. All in one. Settings. Support. This is the customer support app for your Nokia phone. Please update from Google Play to start using it. Wallpapers. And last but not least, YouTube. Not now. In the Google folder, we have Google, YouTube, Maps, Calendar, Gmail, Drive, Play Music, Play Movies, Google Pay, Duo, Photos, Play Store, and along the bottom, Phone, Messages, Contacts, Chrome, and Camera.
To find out more about what makes this smartphone a convenience smartphone, visit the description below.